All right, folks, we got in this Dodge Charger Daytona Edition RT with the 5.7 liter Hemi. It's got a cold air take system in there. Daytona. Sublime metallic in color. I didn't think it was metallic paint, but it is. If you have a quick look there. Daytona badging all around. Then there's our Dodge City badging. Dodge City on the corner of 8th and Preston and Saskatoon here. All right, here's the key fob. So press twice, opens the trunk. Lots of room here, and you can fold those seats down as well. Backup camera right there. And it has the remote start on the key fob right there by pressing twice. So let's give it a start. Sounds a little better than the regular one. Seats are pushed back all the way. There you can see the seats fold back. Very comfortable seats with the suede and leather combination here. Sunroof on this one as well. Blind spot monitoring right here. Let's go in and have a look. Keyless proximity entry. Gotta put the mud flaps in there. We just got this one here, so it's got the memory seats here. We have the paddle shifters here. You can do all your remote settings right there. Push button start. And that'll pop up and you have all your pages. You have 10 pages, performance pages. Oh, maybe more than 10. Fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup. You can do custom settings, and we're back to the speedometer. See what that, we'll have to go through the performance pages a little bit better. You got your navigation on here, 2 fingers like this. Here's a little trick. You can angle it down like that. Got your glove box, lockable glove box right there with 2 tiers. Daytona badging. Alpine sound system on here. You got your gear shifters here. All your buttons and safety features. Cruise control, adaptive cruise control. And this is your Siri button right here. Let's take a look at the window sticker. Super comfy in here. Here's your gas mileage. So we're in Canada, so that's 9 on the highway, 14 in the city, which combines to be about 12 or 23 miles per gallon. There's your warranty, 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever expires first, the time or the kilometers. And that's a 0 deductible, 24-hour roadside assistance, fully transferable. Here's the window sticker, 2023 Dodge Charger RT Daytona. Take a pause on this screen right here. See all the options as another Charger, blacked out Charger, just pulls up beside me here. So this has the Daytona edition. So here's what it all includes: ventilated seats, Mopar cold air intake system. There you go. Canadian dollars, $60,000, and it's available for sale right now. Oh, and the heated seats are on. They heat up real nice and quick. Oh, nice finish on here. It feels really cool too. Nice. All right, so there's a quick look at that one, and hope to see you soon here at Dodge City. Daytona. All right, let's go and have another look. Dodge City, very nice. Anti-glare